It's Sakura season in Japan right now. To celebrate, we're going to make Sakura pound cake with real Sakura petals.
It was not easy to find the ingredients.
But the result was totally worth it. So these are the ingredients.
Great, looks like we're all set.
Let's get cooking. Okay, so I've got 2 eggs at room temperature here, so I'm whisking them. And then moving on to butter. So again, I've got this room temperature butter and I'm whisking it again until it's white and fluffy. Like the belly of Shiba Inu. And I'm adding powdered sugar here and it's flying everywhere. That's okay. I'm good at cleaning.
Getting all over me again.
So gradually we're going to add more powdered sugar until it's nice and combined. So mixing in again.
Mix it well.
And the reason we're using powdered sugar here is rather than granulated sugar is because it integrates into butter easier.
Right.
Okay, so you can see our butter is white and fluffy, which is what we want. And now we're going to add that egg that we just whisked earlier. Again, gradually, we're not going to add it all at once.
You're gonna need a bit of power to mix this, huh?
Yeah, actually, like if you don't do this well, the egg and butter can separate, which is not what we want. We want butter and eggs to be friends. So we're gonna go slowly, little by little. And you can see the egg has now integrated into butter. Now we're adding the flour.
Shake it up.
Shake it up. Never heard that song before. And I added some baking powder and I'm shifting in the flour. Here we go. And here is the important part. We're going to slowly and gently mix in the flour. Like fold it in.
Fold it in.
So gently. There we go. Perfectly folded. So now we're going to move on to the exciting part, which is mixing in this Sakura-an, which is cherry blossom bean paste. It's got this beautiful pink color, and the goal is to create this beautiful marble pattern in the cake. And we're going to show you what that looks like when we slice it up, so stay tuned. So we're going to plop in the butter into the cake mold.
Plop it in.
Plop it in. Plop it good.
It looks good.
And we're going to make the surface nice and smooth. So it doesn't look very organized right now. To make it go, like turn it into like a beautiful mountain, when you bake it, we have to smooth the surface, which is what I'm doing here. And we're going to bake it in the oven at 365 Fahrenheit. Jajan! So the cake is baked. Look at this, it smells amazing.
Looks amazing.
But we're not gonna stop here. We're gonna add this pickled Japanese cherry blossoms.
We struggled so hard to find these.
本当に探すの難しかった。If you try to eat this by itself, you're not gonna have a good time because it's heavily salted. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna soak it in water to get the salt content out, and then we're gonna make it blue. So this is gonna be really interesting. We're taking out of the water, laying them out on a kitchen towel, and we're gonna microwave it. And what's gonna happen is it's gonna lose the moisture content, and it looks like the cherry blossom bloomed again.
Cool.
It's super cool. So we're gonna microwave it. There we go. They've blossomed.
Yeah, got much larger.
So now we're going to make the icing, which will go on top of the cake. So we've got some powdered sugar and we're mixing milk. It's a bit dry right now, so we're going to add a bit more milk. So you want to adjust it until it's the right consistency. Going to keep mixing until it's nice and smooth and shiny like this.
Good.
Yeah. And we're going to drizzle this over the cake, which is the fun part. So this is so satisfying.
Yeah,
Just gonna
so
drizzle
satisfying.
it until we achieve the perfect pattern. And on top of this, we're gonna add those cherry blossom that we just bloomed in the microwave, like this, one by one. So you can create whatever, like, landscape.
Doing some landscaping.
It looks so pretty. There we go.
Nice.
すっごい春っぽいですね。
Feeling the season.
Okay, so are you ready for the moment of truth?
I'm ready.
So we're gonna slice up the cake and check out the pattern. Oh,
Looks
good. You can see the little bits of pink coming from the sakura an. Oh, it's so photogenic. This makes you wanna just get out of the house and go and check out all the sakura trees outside.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try the cake. I found this sakura green tea from Muji the other day, so I picked it up and made some nice hot tea. So let's take a sip.
You're all set there.
じゃあちょっとケーキをいただきます。
どうぞ。
じゃあ一口目はアイシングのところから。とっても柔らかいですね。桜の風味と少しだけ桜の香りがしてとっても美味しいです。じゃあ次は桜のお花も食べてみます。かわいい、とっても素敵なピンクですね。いただきます。この桜はちょっとまだ塩気が残ってて、甘さとすごくいいバランスで最高に美味しいです。